Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials: debit card, registered mobile number, and your customer ID. Open the HDFC Mobile Banking app and grant required permissions so the app can send and receive SMS for OTPs. Once done, tap New User. Register and enter your customer ID, then authenticate with the OTP the bank sends. Make sure to set a secure 4-digit MPIN when prompted so you can log in quickly next time. This replaces repeated password entry. After MPIN creation, proceed to set your profile password and complete KYC prompts inside the app so services unlock properly. Next, enroll and link your savings or checking accounts. You must authorize each account with a one-time OTP or debit card validation so net banking appears under accounts. Also register your debit card for secure transactions and choose transaction limits. This protects you and enables UPI, bill pay, and fund transfer features without needing the desktop site. You can now make transfers via IMPS, NEFT, or RTGS. Add beneficiaries by entering details and confirming with OTP, then wait for activation if required. Once beneficiaries are active, schedule payments, set up billers and autopay, and create or link a UPI ID for instant transfers. For statements and reconciliations, use transactions and e-statements. If something goes wrong, first clear app cache or reinstall. Verify your SIM and OTP reception.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.